Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we'll be doing the project unboxing of the project that is Brigade Gateway, a project by Brigade Group which is located in Neopolis in Kokapet, Hyderabad. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities internal and external both, with the parking provision, master plan, floor plan, unit plan, carpet area analysis, with current construction status of the project, the possession details, and even the builder profile. Now, before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So, this is the marketing office of Brigade Gateway. Let's check the office. So this was the office, and now let me show you the surrounding of the project, that is the connectivity also. So here comes the Neopolis road. So this is the main road of the project. As you can see on the right hand side, we can connect towards the Neopolis circle, and on the left hand side connects towards the ORR by Trumpet flyover. And now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact is shared with multiple brokers, resulting in too many phone calls. Well, where in Housey we connect you directly with builders, as the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, starting with the project overview, let me inform you one more thing, that as we have seen the marketing office of Brigade Gateway, and just behind the marketing office you can connect towards the land parcel, the actual land parcel. So this is the land parcel over here, and this land parcel is of 10 acres, and they are coming up with only 3 towers in this 10 acres, with each tower of ground plus 60 residential floors. And one more thing, the third tower is of mixed use, like you will be getting like Korean malls, Intercontinental Hotels, World Trade Center, and they are coming up with the residencies like a 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK duplex and 6 BHK duplex premium residencies. Now coming to the location part, this project is located near Movie Tower. So that is the Movie Tower, and in Kokapet, Hyderabad. Now let me show you the connectivity road which we seen earlier. So basically this is the Neopolis road, and over the side connects you towards the Neopolis circle. And now over this side, my back end side, this road will connect you towards ORR via Trumpet flyover. And now let me tell you the connectivities from this project. So Outer Ring Road is just 750 meters from the project, and CBIT is 2.1 kilometers. Additionally, Financial District is 4.4 kilometers from the project. Now coming to the amenities part. So the first one is internal amenities. So project comes with granite kitchen, anti-skid rustic tiles flooring, earthquake resistant kitchen platform, SS sink, and many more. Now coming to the external amenities. So this project is coming up with 50 plus luxurious amenities, like of rooftop amenities. On rooftop there is helipad, sitting area, and the cafeteria, mini theatre, spa, saloon, fitness center, and many more. Now coming to the parking provision. So this project provides you 2 type of car parking, that is the podium and the basement level car parking. Now coming to the most interesting part, that is the current construction status of the project. So as you can see, the excavation work is going over here.
Now let's do the master plan and carpet area analysis. This is the master plan of Brigade Gateway. As you can see in the image, there are only 3 towers constructed in total 10 acres of land parcel. With Tower A and Tower B are purely residential. Tower C is for retail, commercial and hotels. Now let's have a look at some of the floor plan. This is the typical floor plan of Tower A, consisting of 6 flats, 8 lifts, 2 service lifts, 2 staircases, where 2 flats are of 3 BHK, 1 flat of 3.5 BHK plus maid room, 1 flat of 4 BHK plus 3D plus powder room plus maid room, 2 flats of 4 BHK plus maid room residencies. Let's now have a look at some of the unit plan. This is the unit plan of 3 BHK plus maid room, 3,354 square feet, And this is the unit plan of 4 BHK plus maid room with 4,159 square feet super built up area.
Now let me tell you the position of the project. So the radar position of this project is December 2028 and the target position by the builder is July 2028. Now let's have a glimpse about Brigade Group. So Brigade Group is India's one of the leading property developer in India with 38 years of experience in real estate sector. Additionally, Brigade Group have delivered 250 plus projects and they have 10,000 plus happy families who have purchased their dream home with Brigade Group. So if you want to be next, then what are you waiting for? Register on www.housey.com where you will even find the project overviews with the pros and cons of each and every project. So everyone, this was the project unboxing of the project that is Brigade Gateway located in Neopolis, Kokapet, Hyderabad, a project by Brigade Group.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project unboxing videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.